Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through some of the top 5 best CySEC Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. The CySEC, or Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, is a regulatory agency located in the Republic of Cyprus. There are a wide range of brokers that are regulated by the CySEC that provide a variety of trading products and services for investors in Europe and around the world. Many traders prefer to use CySEC brokers since Cyprus has more lenient tax laws and finds it easier to set up their business procedures. CySEC allows brokers to provide their services to any region in Europe. Now let's take a look at some of the top 5 best CySEC Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own Beginner's Guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have eToro. eToro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Platform for accounts is featured on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with negative balance protection, margin closeout restrictions, and more. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and a variety of tutorial videos for you to browse through whenever you like. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a video library, various trading guides and courses, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as their very own Beginner's Guide, which covers a variety of educational topics for you to browse through whenever you please. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Exness also provides their very own trading academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best CySEC Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards, such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best CySEC Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.